I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETH on Crypto.com. First, download the Crypto.com app and complete the necessary identity verification. Next, link a payment method like a bank account or a debit card to your account. It's important to ensure your chosen payment method has sufficient funds available before you begin your purchase. This setup is crucial for a smooth transaction. Once your account is set up and funded, open the Crypto.com app. On the home screen, you will see a prominent Buy button. Tap on it. This will take you to a list of available cryptocurrencies. Search for Ethereum or its ticker symbol ETH, and then select it to move forward with your purchase. Now, you'll need to enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy, either by specifying the ETH quantity or the fiat currency amount. For example, $100. Carefully review the displayed exchange rate and any associated transaction fees. Finally, confirm that your preferred payment method is selected before proceeding to the next step. Before finalizing, take a moment to double-check all the transaction details, including the amount of ETH, the price, and the total cost. Once you are satisfied, confirm your purchase using your unique passcode or biometric authentication. Your newly acquired Ethereum will then be deposited into your crypto wallet very shortly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.